Locksmith in Miami, Florida, has been operating in the Miami area for more than 10 years. We are pleased to have thousands of satisfied customers, maybe tens of thousands, if you could believe that, in the Miami area and its surrounding neighborhoods and cities, maybe hundreds of thousands of customers. Miami Locksmith Services has locations in Fort Lauderdale, Hialeah, Boca Raton, that's a nice place, Palm Beach, fancy, Hollywood, I thought that was in California, Miami Beach, and 24 other local cities near Miami. Our technicians are highly trained and specialize in all needs, ranging from residential, commercial to automotive service. We handle all emergency and non-emergency calls pertaining to, but not limited to, those 3 categories. We have also in the past performed jobs for schools and local law enforcement agencies, consulate and foreign ministries. Our company and its technicians are highly equipped to handle all jobs and are proficient in all the latest lock and key technologies, so call us now. We're open 24 hours at 786-319-4591.